Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. I love rice, as I find it's a great side for many dishes. Besides more than half a dozen rice recipes on the site, here's another one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Pilau Rice. It has such a nice aromatic flavor to it. It's easy to make and certainly different from your everyday rice. So let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, we'll add ghee as well as vegetable oil. When it's hot and melted, we'll add the onions and season with ground sea salt. We'll saute for 5 minutes or until softened, stirring often. To this, we'll add a small pressed garlic and quickly saute it for only 30 seconds. Then we'll add a cinnamon stick, a few cardamom pods, some whole cloves, and cumin seeds. We'll stir the ingredients constantly to prevent them from burning for 2 minutes, which is enough to wake up the fragrance. We'll now add the turmeric, which will give that gorgeous yellow color to the rice, plus it's good for us, and stir to coat. Next, we'll add the basmati rice that has been rinsed thoroughly and well drained. Do not use brown rice, as you won't get that lovely yellow color, plus it takes longer to cook. We'll mix it with the other ingredients until nicely coated before pouring in some vegetable broth. Some use water. I don't, because water has no taste, and I'm all about flavor. We'll season with freshly ground black pepper and add a couple bay leaves to the pot as well. Of course, we'll stir to combine. Increase the heat to high and bring to a boil. When it gets there, we'll cover, reduce the heat to low, and simmer gently for 15 to 16 minutes or until the liquid is all soaked up. When time is up, we'll turn off the heat and let it sit with the lid on for 10 minutes so the grains can absorb any moisture. Don't worry, it won't burn, but if your range is gas, then yes, remove from the heat. 10 minutes later, we'll see that all our solid ingredients are sitting on top of the rice. So, using tongs, we'll take them out and discard them. We'll fluff the rice with a fork and serve immediately. And my friends, this is our Pilau Rice. This is so fragrant. It smells awesome, looks absolutely delicious, and tastes incredible. This recipe is a delectable change from your regular rice. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!